At St. Vincent de Paul's Bike Shop near downtown Phoenix, a recent upgrade has transformed the workplace and enhanced safety for everyone involved.
So let me ask you guys a little bit about the lighting before you got these ones. So beforehand, was it a little difficult to do the job or kind of a little down in here?
Well, it was, we had those lights for a lot of years. It was time about, replace, get new ones. And that way they set it up now, I mean, they're working. I mean, it has helped us a lot.
It's a great improvement, They lowered them a little bit here, so you get even more intense light. So you can see it lights up this whole shop pretty good. And I even then, we still have to use focus headlamps sometimes to get into small details, but this generally works out real well.
The bike shop's lighting was completely overhauled thanks to a generous donation from Barron. Their surplus of high-performance LED fixtures was donated and installed, marking a significant improvement for this workspace. With the improved lighting, the bike shop employees and volunteers can now work with accuracy and confidence, ensuring every bike is repaired to the highest standard. Safety is prioritized, enhancing the overall working experience.
How does the bike shop, how does that enter into the community? How does it express itself?
Oh, it has a big impact. We provide bikes for a lot of displaced people that they're barely trying to get in their feet, and so they need it to go and apply for the jobs and to doctor's appointments and food, to get some food.
So a means of transportation to integrate back into society.
Yes.
Start building up from ground one, you give them the wheels.
I give them the wheels, and that's up to them, to better themselves.
This donation is a testament to the power of community support, ensuring that even small changes like proper lighting can make a big impact.
We have a clinic in our area here, and it belongs to St. Vincent de Paul, and we've been providing for the kids.
So the clinic has been working with you guys to get these kids active with the bikes.
Yeah, because they need to do some exercise. Some them kids need exercise. So
they come to you for the solution.
Yes, and so we, with like I said again, with you guys' help, with the lighting, is making us do a better job on the bikes, and so we appreciate it.
Learn more about St. Vincent de Paul's Bike Shop and how you can get involved to support their mission.